morning children. Welcome to today's section. Today's section is for 3rd standard students. Yes children, as you people know that we have started the new lesson, that is Robert Bruce and the Spider. So that Robert Bruce, what was he doing? He was a king. Of which place? He was the king of the Scotland. Before that, you open your textbooks, page number 16. Page number 16 in your textbook. And the name of the lesson. The name of the lesson. This is lesson number 8. So we will start this lesson. I have explained you half of this lesson. What was this king? What was this king doing? This king was, he was a king of Scotland, and the England army was in war with this people, with Robert Bruce and his soldiers. So he ruled this war for 6 times. Who? The king Robert. He ruled this war for 6 times. But after ruling for 6 times also, he had failed. He did not win at once also. ಒಂದು ಸರಿ ಅವನು ಈ ಯುದ್ಧದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೆದ್ದು ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. He failed every time whenever he was in the war with the England soldiers. So one day what happened? He became so uncomfortable that he left his place. He left Scotland and he went into the forests and caves to hid himself. He hid himself in the forests and in the caves. But this England army was very big. These English people, they had a very big army of soldiers. They had many soldiers with them, whereas the King Robert, he had very few soldiers with them. For that, he was unable to win the war. So at last, 6th time, when he did not win the war, then what happened? He went in search of some forests and caves where he wanted to hide himself. And when he was sitting in the cave, he was just lying himself on the stone. He was sitting in the caves. Then there he saw one spider. What this spider was doing, children? This spider, it was building a web. Yes, the spider, it was building a web in the cave. So think now, this is the cave. And here there was a big stone and the king was sitting on this stone. And there was a cave where there are many stones. The cave is built with the help of the stones only. Yes, it was built with many different stones. What happens? A spider was building a web. We have seen a spider. It is having so many. First it gives the long strings everywhere. From this corner to the last corner. And the spider came from here. The spider, it was trying to build the web. This is called as what? Spiders web. This is called as the web of the spider. happens? This king, he saw that spider building the web. And each time the spider it was building the web, it was falling down. ಪ್ರತಿ ಸರಿ ಅದರ ಮನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಟ್ಟಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಥಿಕ್ ದಾರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಓನ್ಲಿ ಥಿನ್ ದಾರ ಇರ್ತದೆ, ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಸಣ್ಣದಿರ್ತದೆ. ಅದೇನಾಗ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಮುರಿದು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿದ್ದುಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ವೆಬ್. ಇಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೈಂಗ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಟು ಬಿಲ್ಡ್ ದ ವೆಬ್. ದೆನ್ ದ ಕಿಂಗ್ he saw the spider and he felt that I have done a mistake. What mistake? That I should have not left my place and come here. I should have stayed there only in my place and I should have done this war once again. I would have fought this war once again to win. Yes. So let us read this lesson first, children, and then I will go with the next part of the lesson. Robert Bruce and the Spider. Many years ago, there was a king of Scotland whose name was Robert the Bruce. He was a brave and wise ruler. The people of Scotland were lucky to have a ruler like him because that time England was at war with Scotland. The King of England wanted to capture Scotland and make it a part of England. The independence of Scotland was in danger. Robert the Bruce had a small army of Scottish soldiers. They fought 6 battles with England but lost each time. The English army was much bigger and stronger. They also had more resources with them. When the king and his army lost the 6th battle, they were driven out of their own country. The entire army of soldiers got scattered. The king became a refugee in his own country. He had to hide in a forests and caves because if the English army caught him, he would be imprisoned. One day, when he was lying down on the rocky bed of a cave, hungry and tired, he noticed a spider getting ready to spin a web. He watched her finish it and he worked slowly and with great care. Holding her thread gently yet firmly, she tried to reach the other end of the cave wall, but she slipped and fell. This did not stop her. She climbed up the cave wall and started the progress all over again. 6 times she tried and 6 times she failed. The King Bruce was amazed. This tiny creature kept on trying again and again and again. Robert thought of himself, there is a lot of similarity between the spider and me. I also tried to fight the English army 6 times and failed, just like the spider. So, the king was thinking that there is lots of similarity between me and the spider. I also fought 6 times with the English army, but I failed. The spider also, it is trying to build a nest. How many times? 6 times. But still it is not stopping. It is again continuously trying again and again to complete that web. So the king says, there is lots of similarities between me and this spider. So what happened next? Just like the spider. So the spider also it failed 6 times but still the spider was trying to build the nest. But the king, when he failed at the sixth time, he came and hid in the forests and caves. While these thoughts were going on in his mind, a tiny spider crawled up the wall and began the process all over again. So, these all things were running into the Robert, the king's mind. He was thinking, when the spider has failed sixth time, again and again the spider is trying to build the nest. But I failed the sixth time and I have come here to hide my face in the forests and caves. So when the king was thinking all these words in his mind, the spider, it was trying to build the nest. It already reached the top of the wall of the cave wall. It reached, the spider reached at the top of the cave wall to build the nest again. It was crawled up. The spider, it crawled up to the cave wall to build the web again. Robert the Goose carefully watched the spider try for the seventh time. Robert the Goose, he watched the spider for the seventh time. Seventh time this was going on. What time? Seventh time the king was watching that spider. Whether the spider will complete this web now or not. The king was observing the spider. Will it complete the seventh time its web? Then what happened? While these thoughts were going on in his mind, the tiny spider crawled up the wall and began the process all over again. Robert the Goose carefully watched the spider try to the seventh time. He forgot about his own troubles. Then he forgot all his troubles. He did not see what happened. He forgot how many times I fought with the people, what happened. There were many soldiers. My soldiers were very less. For that I have failed in the war. He did not have all these messy things in his mind. When he saw the spider climbing up the cave wall seventh time, he had forgotten all the things and only he was observing the spider, whether the spider will complete its web or not. He forgot about all his own troubles. He did not have anything in his mind. Everything was washed out. ಎಲ್ಲಾನು ತಲೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿತ್ತು. ಅವನು ಬರೀ ಆ ಸ್ಪೈಡರ್ನ ಒಂದೇ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. ಸೆವೆಂತ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಮೇಲ್ ಹತ್ತಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ತನ್ನ ಮನೆಯನ್ನ, ತನ್ನ ಗೂಡನ್ನ ಅದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅವನು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ. He was observing the spider. So what happened? Overall she failed again. But again she failed. Again the spider failed to build the nest at the seventh time. Slowly and carefully the spider held her thread and managed to reach the other end of the cave wall. Slowly, very slowly the spider was managing to climb the cave wall. Slowly and carefully the spider held her thread and managed to reach the end of the cave wall. The spider was holding the thread. The thread was very thin in size. It was holding the thread and slowly the spider was climbing the cave wall. It managed very well to reach the top of the wall to build the spider's web. Yes, she did succeed in the seventh attempt. Then what happened? In the seventh attempt, when the spider was trying for the seventh time, then the spider got success. It was succeed to build the web. This web was totally complete at seventh time. What time? At seventh time. King Boost was filled filled with new hope and courage. Then when the king saw 6 times the spider tried to build the web, but she failed. But still she tried at the 7th time and she succeeded. The spider got succeed at 7th time in building its web in the cave wall. Then the king also, he was filled with new courage and new hope. ಅವನ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಒಂದು ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಬಂತು. ವಾಟ್ that he should try once again. He is very much courageful person. ನನ್ನ ಹತ್ರನೂ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಧೈರ್ಯ ಇದೆ, ನನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ತಾಕತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಜೋಶ್ ಬಂತು. He was trying. He wanted to try the next time with the England army. The king post was filled with new hope and courage. He thought of to himself, let me try one more time. See, the king, he said to himself, I have to try one more time. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡಬೇಕು. I have to try one more time with the English army. I just might win, who knows? Then the king says, now this time, the 7th time, I may win the war. Who knows? ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ನಾನು ಗೆಲ್ಲಬಹುದಲ್ಲ? Yes, the king says, this 7th time, I must try with the English army. Maybe I can win the war. Robert the Bruce gathered his scattered army together. His army was totally scattered. His all soldiers had been to different places. No one was there with the King Robert. Then what he did? He gathered all the army together once again. He called all his army people, his soldiers. He called all his soldiers back, and he made a very big army of Scotland. He recounted the story of the spider and gave them new hope and inspiration. So see, then what this king did? He recounted the story. How many times the spider was trying to build the nest? How many times the spiders failed? How many times it fell down when it was building the spider web? He recounted, and at last 7th time, how did the spider slowly moved on the cave wall and completed its web. He recounted all these things. He reminded all these things. How did the spider do? The same example he gave to his soldiers. How do we build a good army to have a war with this English people? ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದಾಗಿ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಿಂದ ಈ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆರ್ಮಿಯನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸೋಲಿಸಬಹುದು, ನಾವು ಗೆದ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಅವರಿಂದ. ಸೊ he gave lots of new hope to the people, to his soldiers, new hope and inspiration to them. He gave a very good new hope and inspiration to the people. Slowly and carefully he built an army of brave Scotmen. Slowly and carefully, ನಿಧಾನದಿಂದ, slowly and carefully, ಅತಿ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಯ ಕೊಟ್ಟು, very carefully he built an army of brave Scotmen. Then he built the army. He called all the soldiers and he built the very good army of Scotmen. The name was given to them was what? Scotmen. That is hope. And the next is inspiration. Inspiration. A 7th battle was fought, and this time they managed to defeat the English army. See, and 7th time the Robert army was ready to fight with the English people. He gathered all the soldiers, he gave them all the tips, he spoke to them, he poured them full knowledge and he inspired them how we can win this war. And they were ready for the 7th war with the English army. And what happened? A 7th battle was fought and this time they managed to defeat the English army. Seventh war, they begin the 7th war with the English army. Who? The King Robert's army. They begin to fight with the English army. Then this time, they defeated the English army and they won the war. They won the war with the English army. The King of England was forced to go back to his own country. Then when the King Robert, he won this war, then the English king was sent back to his own country. He was forced to go back to his country. He was forced. Who was forced? The English army king was forced. The England king was forced to go back to his country. England finally rejoiced Scotland as an independent country and Robert the Bruce has its rightful king. Then what happened? The England finally rejoiced the Scotland as the independent country. The people over there, they all recognized that now the Scotland is independent country. The people of Scotland, they were totally independent by the England army, by the England people, by the English people. They had their own rules and regulations. They had their own rules and regulations. There was no any order given to them. They were totally independent. They had as its rightful king. Robert the Bruce became the king of Scotland, but he never forgot the lesson he learned from the tiny little spider. Then at last what happened? The king, he became the king of the Scotland after winning the war at 7th time. Then the King Robert, he became the king of Scotland. He became Raja Scotland. He became the king of Scotland, but he never forgot the lesson he learned from the tiny little spider. But he did not forget what lesson did he learn from the tiny little spider. From the tiny little spider. If at first you don't succeed, try again. So this lesson is telling us the moral that whatever work you are doing, if you fail once, twice, thrice, don't leave it. You try it again and again till you succeed. You success ಆಗುತ್ತಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅದನ್ನ ನೀವು ಪದೇ ಅದನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನನಗೆ ಆಗಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸೋಲ್ತೀನಿ, ನನಗೆ ಬರಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ you can't do anything. But you have to try it again and again till you succeed. Children, I will show you this small story with the help of the video.
Many years ago, there was a king of Scotland whose name was Robert the Bruce. He was a brave and wise ruler. The people of Scotland were lucky to have a ruler like him because at that time England was at war with Scotland. The King of England wanted to capture Scotland and make it a part of England. The independence of Scotland was in danger. Robert the Bruce had a small army of Scottish soldiers. They fought 6 battles with England but lost each time. The English army was much bigger and stronger. They also had more resources with them. When King Bruce and his army lost the 6th battle, they were driven out of their own country. The entire army of Scotland got scattered. The king became a refugee in his own country. He had to hide in the forests and caves because if the English army caught him, he would be imprisoned. One day, when he was lying down on the rocky bed of a cave, hungry and tired, he noticed a spider getting ready to spin a web. He watched her fascinated as she worked slowly and with great care. Holding her thread gently yet firmly, she tried to reach the other end of the cave wall, but she slipped and fell. This did not stop her. She climbed up the cave wall and started the process all over again. 6 times she tried and 6 times she failed. King Bruce was amazed. This tiny creature kept on trying again and again and again. Robert thought to himself, there is a lot of similarity between the spider and me. I also tried to fight the English army 6 times and failed, just like the spider. While these thoughts were going on in his mind, the tiny spider crawled up the wall and began the process all over again. Robert the Bruce carefully watched the spider try for the 7th time. He forgot about his own troubles. Would the spider succeed this time? Or would she fail again? Slowly and carefully, the spider held her thread and managed to reach the other end of the cave wall. Yes, she did succeed in the 7th attempt. King Bruce was filled with new hope and courage. He thought to himself, let me try one more time. I just might win, who knows? Robert the Bruce gathered his scattered army together. He recounted the story of the spider and gave them new hope and inspiration. Slowly and carefully, he built an army of brave Scotsmen. A 7th battle was fought, and this time they managed to defeat the English army. The King of England was forced to go back to his own country. England finally recognized Scotland as an independent country and Robert the Bruce as its rightful king. Robert the Bruce became the King of Scotland. But he never forgot the lesson he learned from the tiny little spider. If at first you don't succeed, try again.
Children, as you people saw the video about the king and the Robert Bruce, how did he fail the war and how did he gather his army once again, and he won for the last 7th time the war, and then the England king was sent back to his country and Robert Bruce was the king of the Scotland. Yes children, and with this we learned the moral that we should never fail when we should never feel or we should never get back when we are failed. We should be trying again and again till we get succeed. So this was the today's lesson, children. I have completed for you people with the story of video, and then you follow this lesson and I will be in front of you with the new topic. Thank you, children. Have a great day.